Even the Zilla Parishad election, everyone tried to underestimate. I was very confident that we would we win the South district comfortably, and I believe the idea was that the Congress party and all other political parties should understand. It's very simple. If we divide, आम्ही जर तर आमच्यामध्ये divide झाले, BJP त्याचा फायदा घेता. BJP has all the muscle. It uses the state machinery. It is a well-oiled machine. It is going to try to divide us. If we divide and fall for that, if we fall for that prey, then definitely the BJP is winning again. But it's a very simple formula. We forget our ego, forget our differences, keep them at your home, in your drawer. Come out when you come with the people with an open heart. And I'm confident with the way the party is moving around after the Zilla Parishad results as well. The Congress party will definitely form the government in 2027.